Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, Michigan. How you can use Penetrol to restore color and luster to an old, faded, plastic wooden deck. This is one of the best products for sealing a faded out old deck. So here's my deck I installed 18 years ago. And here's where I put this Penetrol on it the other day until I ran out. Penetrol is a linseed oil product that's actually, the advertisement on the can is for putting on your pickup truck cab. Because your pickup truck cab has, the black cap has turned in gray or faded out. And you put this on that plastic, it soaks in and brings the color back. It looks beautiful. That's what I've actually originally sold this for, besides its real use of slowing down oil-based paint when I'm painting on a hot day. And it's faded, getting lighter, and I was looking to put something back into the plastic to help reinforce the finish. The pouring out of a can like this, as you pour with the spout high, tends to leave less product in the lip. It's just a goofy trick from my dad. Don't get it on too heavy. My deck is going to be sealed, easier to clean, and I'm putting a little bit of linseed oil, a little bit of oil back into the plastic wood, which is made out of wood and resin and all kinds of who knows stuff. This just helps stabilize it, brings back its color, and protects it. So Penetrol plastic deck, quick tip from MrHardware.com.